The Matrix II Tunable White is the latest version of Fiilex's formidable broad-source matrix LED. The Matrix II features tunable color from 6500 to 2800 Kelvin, as well as adjustable plus-minus green. The intensity can be dialed smoothly down to 0%. The output of the Matrix II can be modified with its unique light shaping accessories. The quad Fresnel gathers in the light to give the fixture a more intense forward projection. Barn doors shape the output. And the speed ring is compatible with many major brand softboxes, as well as Fiilex's own Matrix softbox. The Matrix II accepts 48-volt XLR input, either from the included power supply or 48-volt battery output. The USB port on the back of the fixture can be used to power wireless DMX antennas. The fixture is water resistant and can easily survive inclement weather. The Matrix II Tunable White is available as an individual fixture or in various kit configurations. Visit Fiilex.com to learn more.